I've spent the last month testing mini PCs, and let me tell you, the power packed into devices the size of a coffee mug in 2025 is absolutely incredible. These machines can edit 4K videos, run AAA games, and handle heavy workloads, all while being smaller than most textbooks. If you're considering a more compact setup or building a powerful mini PC, stay tuned. I'll share 5 mini PCs that will truly surprise you. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Geekom Mini IT13, priced between $599 and $899 depending on your configuration. What's special about it? It features a 13th Gen Intel i9 13900HK processor in a chassis smaller than a sandwich. This chip can boost up to 5.4 GHz and is impressively built. The cooling system is whisper quiet, even under load, and it has excellent port options including USB 4, multiple USB 8 ports, HDMI, and an SD card reader. With 32 GB RAM and a 1TB SSD, it even supports external GPUs via USB 4, like the RTX 4090. It's perfect for productivity tasks, light content creation, and casual gaming. However, it's not ideal for heavy gaming due to its reliance on Intel's integrated graphics. Still, for office work, coding, or running a home media server, the IT13 offers desktop-level performance in a backpack-friendly size. At number 4, we have the Minisforum AtomMan G7 PT, priced around $999 to $1,299. This machine is their fastest gaming mini PC yet. It packs an AMD Ryzen 9 7945HX chip with 16 cores, coupled with an AMD Radeon RX 7600M XT GPU and 32 GB DDR5 memory expandable to 96 GB. Unlike others, this mini PC has a full desktop-class GPU that runs modern games smoothly at 1440p. The cooling system is well-designed, ensuring everything stays cool and quiet. With a 1TB PCIe 5.0 SSD and expansion options, you get lightning-fast storage performance. It's like a gaming laptop without the screen and keyboard, offering better cooling and upgrade options. If you do video editing, 3D rendering, or want high settings for gaming without a bulky tower, the G7 PT is an impressive choice. Coming in at number 3 is the MSI Cubi NUC AI plus 2 mg. The Core Ultra 7 variant starts at $899, while the Core Ultra 9 version is about $999. This mini PC features built-in AI capabilities that enhance productivity and multitasking, thanks to its neural processing unit technology. It supports tasks like document creation, image processing, and real-time language translation. With features like fingerprint security and dual 2.5G Ethernet ports, it's perfect for business environments. Its compact design makes it ideal for offices where space is limited. At number 2, we have the Mac Mini with the M4 chip, starting at $599 for the base model, and going up to around $1,599 for fully maxed-out specs. Apple's M4 chip delivers performance that rivals much pricier desktop computers while being incredibly power-efficient. It excels in creative tasks. Video editing in Final Cut Pro, and photo processing in Lightroom runs seamlessly. With Thunderbolt 4 ports and excellent Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, it integrates perfectly into the Apple ecosystem, especially for users with iPhones or iPads. The main drawback is that it runs macOS, so users needing Windows-specific software or gaming options might be disappointed. However, for creatives and developers working on iOS apps, the performance per dollar is outstanding. Taking the top spot is the Minisforum Venus UM790 Pro, priced between $699 and $899. This mini PC is the perfect blend of performance, features, and value. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS processor, which boosts up to 5.2 GHz, and featuring AMD Radeon 780M integrated graphics, this machine can handle anything from video editing to software development. It offers excellent connectivity with 4 USB 3.2 ports, 2 USB 4 ports, dual HDMI 2.1 outputs, Wi-Fi 6E, and 2.5G Ethernet. This means you can connect multiple 4K displays and have plenty of ports for your peripherals. PC Gamer described it as compact, surprisingly powerful, and never breaks a sweat. And that sums it up well. Whether you use it as a workstation, media center, or for light gaming, the UM790 Pro does it all. For anyone looking for a mini PC that can replace a traditional desktop, this is the one to get. it delivers flagship features at an accessible price. These mini PCs represent the best of what 2025 has to offer. Whether you need power for productivity, gaming or creative work, there's a compact solution for you. Check the links in the description for the best deals, and let me know which mini PC caught your eye.